at this spot we've managed to snag. Right on the river. Look at that water. What the heck?
It's so clear as well.
It is stunning. Oh my gosh. Take a look at that.
We're 15 minutes away from Lawn Hill.
Yeah.
We were going to explore Lawn Hill today, then drive out of the national park and just camp on the side of the road. And then tomorrow we've got a campsite at Lawn Hill National Park. But then we just rocked up here and we're like, it makes no sense not to just pay for a campsite here. They're $44, so it's a bit steep. And then canoe hire is $60. And we had to pay a $70 deposit on the gate keys to get in.
So wait, we're at Adele's Grove.
Adele's Grove, which is 15 minutes out of town.
We are so stoked about this one. Woohoo! And we're here canoeing in Boodjamula, Lawn Hill National Park. How nice is it, right?
Oh, it is just ridiculous. It's so peaceful out on the water and the scenery is phenomenal.
It's beautiful. We're on the hunt for a little freshie. Haven't seen any yet, but we've been told they're out and about. Have a look at this over there. How stunning is that? Oh my gosh, that is awesome. Far out. Well, we're going to have a good day on the water.
Oh, already having the best day.
Woohoo! We found one. Can you see? Oh, there. There. Oh gosh. There he is. Oh my gosh, he does not look real. Have they just put that there? Like, you want to go swimming with it?
Okay, check it out.
Wow, wow, wow. Little waterfalls, Riley, we're going too fast. We don't want to hit it. Oh my gosh. Riley. Wow. Wow. Oh, we're coming up to another waterfall. Riley's there doing it. Oh, this is the bigger one. Look at that. Whoa. We're now in the top pool of Indari Falls. We carried the canoe, what, like 50 metres? Bit of a tough carry for my weak little arms, but lucky I had Rye there. And there's not a soul in sight up here, is there? Just us and the crocs. How good. Alright, we're on a bit pressed for time to get back. It is now 2:33 and we got to be back by 3.
Plenty of time.
Got a bit carried away up there, didn't we?
Yeah.
Exploring.
I think we went even further than they recommended.
Yeah.
we went up to this rapid, which was pretty cool.
Yeah, that was awesome.
Hopefully I got some good footage.
Yeah. Woo.
Okay, so there's going to be a little baby croc popping up on this. Just a little bit. There he is.
Hi.
Hey mate, how you going?
I'll put him.
You've got an eye on us, don't you? We'll be right behind you.
Alright, ready?
Yeah. Nice one.
Go, Riley. Woohoo!
How good is this? Loving it.
That was the best.
That was by far the best day of the trip so far.
Yeah, that was the best experience. We just finished our canoeing in Lawn Hill Gorge, or Boodjamula. I don't know how to say it.
Watch that. But
It was so good.
It was the best experience ever.
Ooh.
We got to see, well, 2 crocs and we heard a 3rd one, but we saw a big croc at the very start, which was awesome. Just sunbaking on the rock. A smaller one when we were in the 3rd pool, but like we went so far up the gorge, it was just
Yeah,
awesome.
and we went swimming in the middle of the gorge and saw turtles, big turtles. And like they said, it's a 3-hour return to the upper gorge or something.
The upper gorge.
And so we weren't going to do it because the canoe hire is only 2 hours. But we got to a point and we're like, let's just keep going. And every corner we're like, we got to keep going. We got to see what's around the next corner.
I think we went past the upper gorge pool because we went up this little rapid that got us to another pool.
Yeah.
And we just kept going until we got to this really big rapid, which we couldn't make it up.
And there's this part that you carry the canoes, and they were kind of heavy for me.
Heavy,
and you got to carry it over these rocks, and we were like shuffling along.
Yeah.
Got him over, but it was so good. And we got back, so we were meant to get back at 3 o'clock, and we were like paddling as fast as we can, and we got back at 2:59.
Yeah, and we managed to send up the drone twice, so hopefully we got some good footage from that.
Yeah.
We went for a swim in the gorge, which was absolutely like stunning. Yeah, it was just
We are stoked.
by far the best experience so far.
Yeah, and our camping neighbours might cook us some barra tonight that they caught.
Yeah. 3, 2, 1.
No, not gonna let you in. Sorry, mate. Hey. Sorry, not gonna let you in. Oi.
Ready? Oh, yes.
I missed it, I think.
Go on. This one.
Okay, we are here, I'm going to get the name right now, at Boodjamula. Okay, and Boodjamula is the rainbow serpent that the Wanyi people believe carved out the gorge for healing powers. Alright, got it.
Yeah, nice one. We have been
Butchering the name a bit.
Yeah.
Yeah, so we're on Wanyi country. And we're camping tonight in the national park. So we're just spending the day going for a few bushwalks and swims.
Yeah.
In that beautiful blue water.
It's such a nice day today, so hopefully we build up a sweat on each walk, then we can pretty much go back to Indari Falls for a swim every time because it loops back around.
Yeah, and last night we had the best dinner.
Yeah, it was so good. We met Nigel and Diana.
Yeah, and Nigel's pretty good at catching barra apparently, and cooked us up some barramundi that we caught, and we had some kangaroo, and
it was just ridiculous.
Oh my gosh, it was
one
awesome.
of the best meals we've had this trip.
So good. Yeah, and he taught us how to tie some fishing knots and gave us a lure, so I think our luck is coming.
Yeah. Oh yeah.
Surely.
Now I have a rough idea.
Yeah. Yeah, so hopefully we can catch ourselves some now, but
Yeah, now we have a rough idea of how to bleed it and fillet it and cook it, so fingers crossed we catch some.
Yeah, and we were just down at the water there and we had these little fishies. We were told they can spit up at you and we were trying yesterday and couldn't get it. But these little fishies were spitting up at us and we dangled our fingers over the water. So
yeah, it was pretty cool.
Yeah, it was awesome. And look at where we are now. Walking around the beautiful gorge. We're so excited. Keen for a swim, huh?
I'm pumped.
Woo!
Howdy. Welcome to Sunset Sensations.
Sunset Sensations, eh? Watching the sunset from... Where are we?
Constance Range.
Constance Range Lookout. First challenge from our sunrise mission is to cross the rapids. We need to get over there. Let's go.
Yeah.
Okay. How you going there, Rye?
My feet hate this.
Now I've got wet shorts for the rest of the walk.
I'm back. Alright. Same, mine got a little bit. Alright.
Oh.
Yeah.
Alright. To the left. And we're at the top already, and it's only 5:30.
Yep, we just
Smashed it.
smashed it. Walked through a rapid, climbed a mountain in a matter of 20 minutes.
Here we go. Let's go find a spot to watch the sunrise then.
Sweet.
You shall not pass, he says to us.
ID, mate.
We can offer him a peace offering of some sorts. Let us pass, please.
No, leave. No, do not. Don't do it. No. Oh,
Well, that was easy.
no, I want to. Hey, buddy.
Bye. We got in. Thanks, mate. See you next time. What are you gonna do? Ah, very nice. Very, very nice. Well, Riley's taking the high route. I just decided to walk straight through. Moo! Oh, hi, little ones. Oh, hello.
Greetings.
They're so tiny. Yeah. Moo. Moo.
Oh, you got a deep
Oh my
for a little man. Moo. Moo.
They're all talking to us.